Hello. I'm gonna start a new series, and it's gonna be some slime ranchers. So, I'm gonna create a new game. I already have a game loaded, but yeah, I'm gonna start now. I hope you all like it. I mean, I don't know. I don't like it if you like or subscribe. Don't really care. I just want to do this for fun. I'm gonna name it Bob. Good old Bob. Choose save icon. I'm gonna choose. Yeah, I'm just gonna do normal, eventual. Okay, so I'm just gonna do normal eventual. Yeah. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but doesn't let it work more. Plant has a fall range. I did not. That's me if I kind of already know the controls. Jump, sprint. So, I guess let's go. So, I think my main goal for today is probably to unlock a lot of slimes. So I would probably say open up the first door. Open up a door, and then after I open that one door, I'm gonna stop the video. And yes, I have played this game multiple times before. I mean, not multiple times. I've played this game for at least 20 hours, so. I'm just gonna go grab food. So, I'm gonna give some tips that I know of, and that is not to have a lot of big slimes. Some people think it might be helpful to have a lot of big slimes, but it's actually harder to do anything with big slimes. Yeah, like, that's why I'm literally just... Yeah, so these are ports, basically just supposed to collect on when slimes eat, they make ports. Head on to your yeah. So basically, so my goal would probably to get. I was gonna say this one, but yeah. So I think my main goal is to get. What is to unlock the new area, the next area, which would be to get like these like to get like the honey. I would say to if I unlock the first door, and get a water slime. That's when I'm gonna So it just me or did anyone else hear your slime say fiend? Yeah, so that I think my main goal for today would be to make this guy blow up. But I don't know how long that's gonna take. Actually, I think I'm gonna do. Oh, no, I'm gonna do 2 days. I'm gonna do a day for each episode. I mean, I'm gonna do a day for each one, like video I do. Oh, that's what it is. I never knew what those meant. I was always so confused. So, Tabby Cat. Tabby, give me the tab. So yeah, I would actually want this dude to eat the. So Tabby Cat, they don't. Pink slimes eat everything. Tabby Cats only eat meat, so I don't think he's gonna eat that. Let's see if I can find a chicken or a cat. Yeah, those dudes. Rock slime. Those are those weird phantom slimes. That's so weird though. Oh my god. Yeah, Largo slimes. 2 slimes mixed together. I just split there since. Okay, let's go. Since so long since I restarted this game. One thing to tell everyone, never put like how I just did on accident. You don't really want a lot of slimes. You usually just want like 2 or 3 slimes. Yeah, 3 slimes is the preferred amount I suggest. It's for like the basic thing, for like if it's just like a non-Largo slime. So every slime has a different value for each day. So I would want the rock slime. They will only eat carrots, I'm pretty sure. I don't know exactly. Yeah. I don't want these dudes anymore. Yeah, so those are the rock, I may call them rock Largos. So whenever they eat, but I do need to collect these to sell. So hens, yeah. So never put 3 different types of slimes in the same pen, and because a multi-slime thing will turn into a tar, and that's when you don't want tars. They aren't really good. So yeah, for the Largo, I say pink slimes are probably the best since they eat anything. They will eat anything. So I say you would want to do what I'm doing right now and get like these slimes. So these guys can get out easily. So you want the high walls. Also they can't get out. So these dudes you cannot put in info. You can order one at a time. So yeah, different areas you can buy these if you tap here. For this one, the overgrown, that is 1,795. Basically, those will give you more slots. Okay, also, I'm gonna say it here. X is jump. O is something that you don't get at the very beginning. It's like a launch thing. So yeah. I've played this game before, so I'm used to all the controls. Holy cow! What? And then is it letting no? Holy cow! So yeah, I am not very good at doing well speech. So you don't want to collect the photo slimes, the slime I just collected. These slimes, those slimes will die in the light. So after light, those will die. Like the sun basically kills those slimes. Don't try jump into dumb spaces since your jump isn't very high. Yep. So that is a key. This is what I was trying to get this for. So my main goal was to get those water slimes, since those you don't need to give them food. They basically just create stuff on their own. I'm gonna show you what one of those I need to give one of these guys a so you can collect water from here with an upgrade. Oh yeah, also you don't usually see a natural thing. It's usually you don't usually walk up to a place and they already have like logos, like that's all. We're gonna show you a long thing. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Yeah. So scroll down. Right here, this right there is where the tar is. One of the most dangerous creatures in the game. So I had a key, and that was my main goal for today. These slimes favorite or heartbeat, so they give 2 instead of 1. So I'm gonna go unlock the next area. Since yeah, I don't know how long it has been so far. It's been actually quite a while. I'm planning to do this every single week, so Wow, so you wanna, that's just more swans. It's almost useless, it's always useless to go down there. You don't usually see. So for you to see what the favorite food of a creature is, you would need the base amount. You would need to. So yeah, this is yeah, this hair. Yeah, this if you don't know what you're doing, I usually don't come in as those creatures. So this game also has creatures like those. Have like lightning around them. Have like a little bit of red around them. Those ones can hold you and will try killing you. So those aren't really a threat since I figured out a way by catching them. So yeah, I'm gonna open this and use the slime key. Now this has now opened. So, and this is where I'm gonna stop off today. So, peace. So peace. I'm gonna stop now. Goodbye.